In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size using the Etsy mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like the video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if I open up Etsy, you can see what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and easier to read, the first thing I need to do is head back and then go into my settings app on my device. Once I'm inside settings, we want to navigate lower and click onto display. Once you're inside display, again scroll down and look for font size and style. Give that a tap. Once you're inside font size and style, you're going to see a slider down at the bottom of the page under font size. So if I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size. And if I move the slider to left, it's going to decrease the font size. And it'll give you an example just a bit above, so you'll be able to see how big or how small your font size is going to be. I'm going to leave it near the end on the right hand side. So if I go back to Etsy, the font size should be increased accordingly. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, just have a play around with that slider and choose what size you want your font size to be to make it easier for you to read inside Etsy.